If you've ever needed to encode a bunch of videos at once, HandBrake can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to queue multiple videos in HandBrake, step by step, so you can set everything up once and let the software handle the rest automatically. This is perfect for anyone working with large batches of files, whether you're compressing footage, converting formats, or preparing videos for upload. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open HandBrake on your computer. Once it loads, look for the Open Source button. This is where you tell HandBrake what files you want to work with. Instead of selecting one file at a time, click Open Source and then choose Folder, also known as Batch Scan. This option lets you load an entire folder of videos into HandBrake all at once, which is exactly what you want when you're working with multiple files. Now, browse to the folder that contains all the videos you want to encode. Select that folder carefully and then confirm your choice. HandBrake will scan the folder and pull in every compatible video it finds. This is the first big time saver because now you don't have to keep repeating the same steps for each individual clip. Once your videos are loaded, the next thing you want to do is pick a preset. The preset controls the encoding settings that will be applied to the videos in your list. You might choose a preset for fast conversion, better quality, smaller file size, or a device-specific format, depending on what you need. The important part here is that the preset you choose will be used across your batch, so make sure it matches your goal before moving forward. After that, you're ready to add everything to the queue. Find the Add to Queue button, and then click the small down arrow next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Add All. This tells HandBrake to send every loaded video into the queue instead of just one. If you've done everything correctly, all of your selected videos should now be lined up and ready to process. Before you start encoding, it's a good idea to verify the queue. Click the Queue button in the toolbar to open the queue window. Here, you'll see your list of pending videos, and you can double check that everything looks right. This is your chance to make sure the correct files are included and that your preset was applied the way you wanted. If you notice something off, this is the best time to fix it before the encoding starts. But if everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. At the top of the queue window, click Start. HandBrake will begin processing each video in the order listed, one after another, until the entire batch is finished. And that's it. You've just learned how to queue multiple videos in HandBrake and start a full batch encode without having to do each file manually. This is a great workflow for saving time and keeping your video processing organized. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.